Hello viewers, I'm Rash Ravi Shankar with the 19th episode of our weekly poetry series Fridaypoems, which is uploaded by uh, New Master. Uh, the poet we are introducing today is Dr. AMBAT Koshi, Dr. Koshi AB. He is very well known in India. He is active in many Facebook groups. He is the originator of the very important poetry group called Significant Geek. They brought out an anthology also recently. Dr. Koshi was working as an assistant professor in the English department of the Jazan University, Saudi Arabia. He has 25 books with his name on the cover, 3 degrees, 1 diploma, and many certificates, awards, and nominations to his credit. And also, besides teaching, he is an editor, anthology maker, poet, critic, and writer of fiction. He runs an autism non-profit organization along with his wife Gabriela Koshi. Besides being managing editor for Fasihi, an international online magazine. Fasihi means literature in the Swahili language. Two of his co-authored books published in 2020 were Amazon bestsellers in India and USA, namely Wine Kiss Poems, which he did with Jagari Mukherjee, and Vodka by the Volga by Santosh Bakaya. We will be bringing you Santosh Bakaya's poems in our next edition. Dr. Koshi is reading two poems. The first one is titled Poetry Nation. The second one is Untitled. So over to Dr. Koshi to read his poems.
Hello everyone. Thank you Rash for giving me this opportunity to read poetry for Friday Poetry. I'm very honored. My first poem is called Poetry Nation. Poetry is not politics. It is not any religion. It is a way of speaking in words that hope to rise above the din of hatred on wings that, while seeking for beauty, find truth, set free. Happy to hear the sound of sparrows that are not saffron or red, that are not white or blue, that are not green or yellow. And its bird flag is brown and black, with a twofold shout, unafraid to laugh at what is wrong in politics and in religion, while flying like clouds on the ground. Poetry is that rare phenomenon in the hands of an adept. I am one, the permanent revolutionary impulse of surprise, wonder, and curiosity in children that one will fight and die for, live for and sacrifice for, of womanliness in woman that makes men go weak in the knees, of manliness in man that makes women melt inside, the voice that cannot be stilled, a clear running stream of song against all injustice, of caste, of creed, of time and place, of party, of belief, of race. Not empty sloganeering, poetry is not bound. It is a revolutionary impulse. It serves where it is found, changes with the need. It cannot be ground into nothing. It is a voice not only of the broken but the sane. Poetry is not a leftover but the main course. It rains, it is the everlasting season, a rainbow of spices, a litany of change. Where it comes, it has no friends, as it speaks without fear or favor, and to compromise never deigns.
So that was AMBAT KOSHY's first poem, The Poetry Nation. The second poem is untitled, but I'll prefer to call it A Dream's Waste. A Dream's Waste. So over to AMBAT KOSHY again for his second poem. Thanks.
This is the second poem for Friday Poems. It doesn't have a title, but if you want, you can call it The Rolling Waves because that is the first line. So here goes the poem. The rolling waves, the roll of her hips. Who connects the two except wits? Metaphysical conceits, words the poets use to hide their desire or lust in never-ending chains, making an aranyanam of gold to wrap around a dream's waist. Thank you.